What's up, guys? So today we are driving a new Mustang. Headed to the dyno. Currently this customer's car, we're running a canned SCT tune. So he went ahead and bought the Auto Mafia Racing tune so he can be Mafia tuned. So we're going to the dyno today to just test that out. So we're gonna run the car on the dyno with just the canned SCT tune, and then we're gonna install our Auto Mafia Racing tune, and we're gonna see the difference on the dyno. It's literally gonna be 5 minutes from run to run, so really simple, easy to tell all the differences. Now this car has a JLT intake, and it has an X-pipe and a catback exhaust. Other than that, it's an automatic 2017 GT, basically stock. We are gonna be doing a 2018 intake and lockout kit install on it, and we'll do another dyno run with that tomorrow. So let's see what it can do. Alright guys, so as you can see, JLT intake and no other modifications under the hood. We're getting ready to strap her down here and do the base pull on the SCT tune. Alright guys, so we're here at the dyno getting ready to run the 2018 intake on this 2017 GT. Let's see what it does. So hopefully the goals are not to lose as much torque as everybody else. We've been working on the tune all day. So hopefully we have a very minimal torque loss and a lot of high-end power. The butt dyno definitely says that's the case, so we'll find out. Getting her cool off right now.